Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this video we're going to finish our application and complete using our buttons. So to do that I'll go back to init function. Inside this block I'll say switch camera button set on click listener, and I'll use my RTC client and add a method switch camera. I don't have it right now, so I'll create it right here. I'll use my video capturer. I don't have it, so I should change my video capturer and local audio and video track to a global value. So to do that I'll go back up here inside my artist client and create a global values. Now video capturer of type video capturer, and it's a null object. And after that private var, sorry, this one has to be var as well. Local audio track of type audio track from WebRTC, it's also null. The same thing for local video track, it's also a video track. So let's go back to where I have defined it. Remove this val keyword and also video track and audio track, and do a null check for them like this, and resort my project using Ctrl Shift Alt and L. After that I'll go back to switch camera function and use video capturer, and this one has to be camera video capturer. So here I'll use the switch camera and pass null to it, and also I have to switch the output of this function to camera video capturer like this. And let's go back here and we have our switch camera function and button. And after that, to disable mic and pause the video, I'll create two variable called is mute is equal to false and is camera pause is also false, because we started a call with camera and mic on. So I'll go back here and use my mic button, set it on the click listener, and I'll check if it is muted. If not, do this. If it is muted, is mute is equal to false, I'll wanna toggle it, and here is mute is equal to true. And I'll also change my image of mic button like this. Set image resource to r.drawable.mic off, and here I'll change it to mic on. I'll call a function inside my RTC client to toggle the audio. So I'll call it toggle audio and pass my isMute to it. So I'll create this function. So local audio track is not null, then it's dot set enabled the mute. I can remove this let and use it like this. So let's go back and handle our video button just like our audio button. I'll check if is camera pause, true, do this. If it's not, do it. So is camera pause is equal to false. If not, it's equal to true. I also want to change the icon of the video button like this. Set image resource r.drawable cam off, and here I'll set it back to video cam. And after that I'll call a function inside my RTC client, toggle camera, and pass this camera pause to the function and create it inside my RTC client, and use my local video track and set enabled to camera pause like that. It's a typo error here. I'll rename it to toggle camera. Go for the next button, and the next button is audio output button. To use the speaker mode, I'll set and click listener. To use this feature, I'll add a helper class called audio manager here and create an instance of it inside my call activity private WebRTC audio manager by lazy RTC manager dot create, and the context is going to be this. And I'll also create a boolean named is speaker mode, and it is equal to true. So I'll go back here. I'll check if is speaker mode false. Otherwise, make it true. I also want to change the icon of it, so I'll set image resource out of trouble, hearing, and speaker, like that. And after that, I want to switch the audio device, so I'll use audio manager and set default audio device to RTC audio manager class and use audio device and earpiece, and here I'll switch it to speakerphone. And don't forget, whenever you want to initialize your class, right here you want to set the default output to speakerphone. Okay, so let's go back to the last button and call. First I want to update the UI using these methods, so I'll set call layout gone, set who to call layout visible, and to make sure I'll set incoming call layout also gone. And after that, I want my artist clients to end the call. To do that, I'll just use my peer connection to close. And there is one more thing about your WebRTC client, and it is the iServer that we are using right now, and it only works since you're using a local connection or your both peers are in the same network, so the Sun server is good to use, so there will be no problem. But if you want to deploy your socket server and make a real calling application, a video call application, you have to use the turn server. To do that, I'll find a turn server first, searching inside Google, and search for the best turn server. Open the second link and go here, and we are going to use this stun and turn servers. To do that, I'll implement inside my RTC clients like this iServer, but we use the iServer constructor, not builder, and pass the URI and the username and password. I'll fast forward them just like that. So now you're good to go, and if you deploy your signaling server and use this application as a real video calling application, you can connect to other peer without any problem. So before I check it, I made the mistake that I did put all of this inside the call button listener, so I have to move it outside of it like this. Okay, so to test our app, first I'll start my signaling server, and then I'll start my emulators and the other one on my real phone to check my real camera. So let's log in as 30, as API 30. I want to call my real phone, so let's answer it. Yeah, as you can see, the call established. You can mute your voice or disable your camera or switch your camera, and also toggle your earphone or your speakerphone and end the call. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any question, let me know inside the comment section, and also don't forget to subscribe and follow my channel for more videos like this. Till the next time, see you guys.